If you're new to batch cooking and meal prepping, then this is the right video for you. Just stay back, relax, and enjoy this.
Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cassandra. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Cassandra. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're 38 weeks and some days, and I can't wait. I am a lover of batch cooking and meal prepping. You already know that on this channel it's all about healthy meals, meal prepping ideas, and of course meal prepping recipes. So it's normal for me to just think about batch cooking and meal prep, and we don't know when baby is coming. So I just want to make sure that I have some very nice, tasty meals in the freezer, just to help me when baby comes. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and of course like and share this video. I'm going to show you how I'm going to batch cook and also meal prep some things that would really help me. So it's going to be fun. We're going to be cooking, and most of the things that we're going to be cooking today, I already have the recipes on my channel. So you can go through my channel if you just want to see some of them. But I'm just going to show you, the process. On my list today, I have 7 recipes that we need to make today. So I have jollof rice. I hope you can see. I also have jollof rice mix. I have pepper soup, beans porridge, coconut sauce, marinades for proteins, and of course stew, which I'll be adding like some chicken and beef into the stew. So this is actually what I want to work with today, and then keep them in the refrigerator and the freezer. So yeah, we can get started. I have some tatache, bell peppers. I also have the red chili peppers known as our shombo, which is very important for our jollof rice mix. I also have some scotch bonnet pepper. I have bell peppers, onions, garlic, ginger, and fresh tomatoes. I'm going to start with roasting the jollof rice mix, and then we're going to start cooking beans porridge. The red chili. I'll be using about 3 fresh tomatoes and some scotch bonnet pepper. And I'm going to add some onions to that. So if you've never tried batch cooking or even meal prepping before, it might seem strange to you, but if you can actually dedicate an amount of time, to batch cook something for yourself while you're pregnant, especially when you're getting closer to the end of the pregnancy, it will really, really be helpful. If you can't do it yourself, you can outsource it, delegate it to someone to help you handle that. And it's actually very, very beneficial because the moment you have the baby, you really need good food, like good, good home cooked food. So let's go wash. So this is our jollof rice mixture. I hope you can see that. I'm just going to put this into the oven now for it to roast before we blend. While that is going on, we're going to start cooking our beans. Remember, we're making beans porridge also. So I'm just going to wash this and I'm going to start boiling the beans. Going to add some onions into the beans. This is almost ready. And while we would start boiling our meat for pepper soup, I have a combination of some meat parts here. I'm going to add freshly blended pepper in here, some seasoning powder, some salt, some paprika will go in, a little bit of garlic powder, and some onions. Now, I'm not going to add any water into this. I'm just going to cover and allow this to produce its own water. So it's going to steam properly. It's time to cook the beans. I'm going to add this pepper mix. I have onions, Scotch bonnet pepper, and red chili, a little bit of salt, some palm oil. I'm going to add some crayfish. I'll cover and allow this to cook. So our beans is ready. We have one meal ticked. Our roasted peppers for our jollof rice base. So I'm just going to blend this right now. I hope you can see. Yeah. So this is our jollof rice mix. We're getting there. We're getting there. And we have this for our stew. So for our pepper soup, I'm going to add onions, the blended pepper from before, a little bit of salt, crayfish, very important in pepper soup. I have my pepper soup spice, about 1.5 tablespoons, black pepper, and I have some chopped yam. So I'm just going to put that in here. You can use potatoes if you want. So I'm just going to cut this. So remember our protein, just going to put it there. I'm going to cover and allow to boil for about 6 to 7 minutes and our pepper soup is ready.
The next thing you want to do is just slice all your vegetables. And these are the vegetables that we're going to use for our coconut sauce. It's pretty easy. And trust me, you can use any vegetable of choice. Here I have some bell peppers and also some carrots. I'm also going to be adding some onions and ginger and garlic. So that's like your basic ingredient for the coconut sauce. I also have another recipe on my channel, so you can check that out. And of course, our pepper soup is ready. Guys, you need to try this recipe. It's really simple and so delicious.
So we are done. I know I said 2.5 hours at the beginning of the video, but I spent about 3 hours, 17 minutes, I think. And this is everything. I'm really happy that I was able to tick off everything on the list. This is the beans, and then this is the pepper soup, and we have jollof rice, and I made some chicken and beef stew. This is the jollof rice mix. So whenever I want to make jollof rice again, I don't need to go through that process. This is it. This is our marinade, and I'll use this to marinate any protein of choice. This is the coconut sauce. It's really, really nice. You guys need to try this recipe. I think I have another recipe on my channel, so you can do that. So yeah, this is the batch cooking and meal prep for just before baby arrives. And if you have the time, you can actually spend that time to prepare lovely meals and then just keep them in the freezer so that you won't really stress yourself with cooking and all that. Okay. So let me know in the comments what you think about this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, like and share this video and tell me in the comments which of these recipes was actually your favorite. I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye bye.